Are you considering moving to Aledo, Texas and looking for brand new construction? Do you want to pick your lot, pick your selections, pick your builder, pick your floor plan, and make sure that home is exactly what you want? Well, today I'm going to walk you through the Village Homes model, which is the Carmichael floor plan, and point out some of the upgrades and features you can get with a Village home, show you what's standard, what's not, and make sure that you know exactly what you're looking at if you're looking at a Village home. If this is your first time joining the channel, my name's Jared. I live in the Aledo area. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications to make sure you get updates on everything that's going on in Aledo, Texas. Now, I get calls, texts, and emails weekly from people just like you that are wanting to know what it's like to live in Aledo, Texas. So if that's you, if you're considering making a move or just looking to buy your next home in the Aledo area, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, schedule a Zoom call, whatever works for you, and I'd love to make this transition for you as smooth as possible. And before I get started, I want to make sure you know to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to cover the incentives that Village Homes is offering to buyers who are willing to contract on one of their homes today. So today we're going to be looking at the Carmichael by Village Homes. And I'm going to make sure in this video I try to point out some of their standard features versus upgrades they have in their model home. So make sure you pay attention as we go. I'll point those out as we see them. We are in Parks of Aledo Lakes. If we have time, I'll give some information about the lakes, but I have multiple videos on Parks of Aledo Lakes if you are curious about the lakes and the features and the amenities. So this is the Carmichael floor plan. This is about 3,300 square feet, 4 bedrooms. It has this flex space up here, and it has an extra study, or you can even add a bedroom. This floor plan has the game room upstairs, but you could add a bedroom and a full bath as well. Multiple different features you could add on this property. So one of the things that is important to note when you are making selections on new construction homes, when you're building from the ground up, is that you're not typically buying just a single package. You know, you get to pick, and this is why people do it, you get to pick the floors, you get to pick the counters, you get to pick the lighting, the fixtures, you can upgrade to fireplaces, all sorts of selections. So as you look at model homes, what you also need to realize is that the builder will oftentimes, yeah, look at this, this is a really pretty kitchen. The builder will oftentimes put a whole bunch of upgrades in their model home. And that's fine, they're not trying to be dishonest. They're trying to show you what their home can look like when done a certain way. But it's also important to note that the price that you see advertised may not be the price you pay if you want to pick all the upgrades they have. So in here, this floor is actually like a level 3 hardwood. It's an engineered hardwood that is an upgrade. However, standard for no extra cost, you do get hardwoods, engineered hardwoods in your living spaces downstairs. So kitchen, living, and hallways, you get that hardwood. More upgrades. So in the Village Homes in Parks of Aledo Lakes, granite is standard in the kitchen. This, what you see here, is a level 7 quartz. So if you want this specific, style, see these little gray grains through here, it's going to cost you a little bit extra. That mosaic tile back here, while really pretty, is an upgrade. Along with, and I have clients who really, really like this. I like it too. Cabinets all the way to the ceiling. That's an additional upgrade. However, what you might like to note is these pot drawers are not upgrades. Those are standard, or they're a standard selection. And this isn't just a little sales office they built into this large pantry. This is an upgrade you can have on your home. You can make this like a little desk space here. So fireplace is standard. Let's go take a look at the master. Now in the bathrooms for Village Homes in Parks of Aledo Lakes, at least, marble is going to be the standard for the bathrooms. And that's what they have in here. Here they have a nice standalone tub. They have a shower. Now, some of the things that you can pick are even like your door hardware and handles and knobs. So if you have a strong preference, you have little kids, you don't like the levers because little kids can get that at a super young age, you get knobs. If you like the levers, you can get the levers. You know, you can probably pick and choose what your accent tile is. It's pretty neat. Now, even lighting. So Village does their lighting a little bit differently. They give you an allowance for you to kind of build your own lighting package. So, you know, these pendants would cost a certain amount of dollars, but as long as you stick within your allowance, then you're good. And I will go over some of the incentives they're offering right now and could be offering in the future, again, at the end of the video, so stick around. And, oh, let's take a look at these stairs. So this is an important thing to note. Wood on the stairs, and this is not just Village, many builders operate the same way. Carpet on the stairs is typically standard. Carpet on the stairs and carpet upstairs is typically standard. Wood on the stairs looks so much better. So this is an upgrade that this home has that you should be aware of. It's not a cheap upgrade, but it is well worth it. It holds value in the long run. Now, like I said, carpet upstairs is standard. They did upgrade this living, or like the living space up here and the hallways to the wood. Now this is that upstairs living space or game room that could be turned into a full bath with a bedroom. But man, look at this. This wet bar is awesome. Unfortunately, this wet bar is not standard. This is a really cool upgrade, really good selection. This is a quartzite. So if you don't know, quartz is a man-made product, and quartzite is a natural stone. So a little bit of tidbit for you. We're gonna take a look at these upstairs bedrooms. Let me see, I think I might've covered most of the upgrades and updates for this property. This bedroom has a full ensuite bath. Like I said, this is a 4-bedroom. You could make it a 5-bedroom home. It's currently set up as a 3.5 bath, but could be a 4.5 bath. There is one Carmichael that is an inventory home right now. Inventory means they're already building it. There's not a contract on it. You may also hear people call them spec homes. There's one Carmichael spec home that is available. It's priced at $612,000. And there's actually only 3 inventory homes available at all with Village right now. 2 Kingsleys in the high 500s, and then 1 Carmichael. We'll go take a look at this back porch and backyard. Now, the Carmichael starts at $592. So the inventory home has maybe $20,000-ish of upgrades. Sometimes on these inventory homes, they actually put some upgrades in there and don't charge you entirely for it. And then whatever incentives are currently being offered. So it's a pretty good sized backyard. That'll vary lot to lot. Again, this is the model, but let's take a look at this back porch. So you got enough space for some furniture, enough space for a grill. Again, this is the Carmichael floor plan. Village Homes does build in Parks of Aledo Lakes, starting out at about $499 up to maybe the $650 price point, and a few even higher. So again, this is the Carmichael floor plan. Thanks for checking it out. Thanks for sticking around to the end. For those of you who are still here, I have a special surprise for you. We're gonna take a look at their selection of floor plans and lots while I go over the incentives they're offering. So first, let's take a look at their floor plans. They have 3 floor plans that come in either a 1 or 2-story selection. You can pause this if you really want to take a look at what their, square footage, bed, bath, car, all that stuff, but a variety of options. And then there's 6 homes that come in a 2-story variation only. So today we looked at the Carmichael, and there is currently 1 Carmichael and 2 Kingsleys available as inventory homes. Now, the incentives, as I show you these lots and what these lots look like, the incentives are $20,000 in incentives for an inventory home, so a home that you can just contract on and purchase, and between $25,000 and $30,000 in incentives for picking your lot and building from the ground up, where you get to pick all your own selections, upgrades, features, lot, and everything. So one thing to note is not all lots cost the same. Some all have a $5,000 lot premium. Some have a $10,000 lot premium. Some have a $28,000 lot premium. And then they are different size lots. You see this black dot is a 60-foot wide lot. The red dots, if there's a red dot, would be sold. So there are a variety of lot sizes and widths, and Village Homes does have lots throughout Parks of Aledo Lakes. Thanks for watching, and if you forgot, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to make sure you get kept up to date with everything that's going on in Aledo. Because whether you're moving next week or next year, give me a call, shoot me a text, book a Zoom call directly at the link below, and I'm happy to help make this transition as smooth as possible.